Let's make leather crane. Please note that the instructions given in this video is meant to be used with our products. You can buy them from our website. Thank you for your understanding. These are the materials found within the pack. Do note that scissors, lighter, and pliers are not provided. Start by measuring the wax thread with the outline of the wing, approximately 3 times the perimeter. Thread the needle at both ends of the thread. Pull the ends in to tighten the knots at the eye of the needle. Let's start with the wings. Take note of the right and wrong side of the wings. Let's start sewing. Sew all the way till the end. Knot it, then sew the middle line as well. This is how to knot up the stitches at the end. Repeat the stitching to the second wing as well. Take note not to sew the bottom of the wing. Let's work on the body next. Align the wrong sides of the body, stack them against each other. Right side of the body facing out. Start sewing from the top side of the head towards the center. Tie a knot and seal it off with a lighter. Next, let's work on fixing up the bell to the crane. Take a small amount of wax thread and use it to string through the hole as shown. Fit the saddle on top as shown, with the rope between the body of the crane. Continue sewing the back of the body. Let's now secure the top part of the crane. Sew on both sides. Also sew the decorative stitch at the center. Repeat on both sides. Keep the knot between the two layers so that it is not visible from the outside. Next, we need to attach the wings to the crane. Put the side of the wings with the knots facing inwards so that they are not shown outside. We need to sew through all the layers, wings together with the body. Do make sure there is enough thread to sew it through. Layers are a little thick. You will need a bit of strength to pull through the needle, or with the help of pliers if required. Tie a knot between the layers to finish off. Hide the knot between the layers. Okay, it's done. Thank you for watching. Full set of materials can be purchased from us.